Hello everyone and welcome to my channel DigitalOcean TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create brand new business manager on Meta from scratch. So see you in a bit. Alright you guys, so as always I have a small ask. If you find this video valuable, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So, in order to create a business manager, right, on Meta, you need to go to business.facebook.com. So again, business.facebook.com. Then you will see this page. After you see this page, you can log in with your Facebook profile, right? I will log into my Facebook profile where I have some business managers in a second. Then when you log in, if you have a business manager, another business manager already, you need to click on your name here on the left hand side, and then down below you need to click create a business portfolio. So it's called portfolio right now. So basically on this initial screen that I showed you, if you click and log in with your Facebook profile and you don't have any business managers, it will prompt you to this box. You just simply need to type the name. I will create for our website, for our blog, Georgi Advice. Okay, this is going to be the name of my business manager. Then my name. Okay, then business email. I'm gonna just choose one email, doesn't matter if it's a business or not. Then you need to click create. It's gonna be loading for a little bit. Okay. Then it's gonna show you this. Nothing is available to be claimed. It means that you don't have any assets in this business portfolio or business manager. They're the same thing pretty much. Business manager and business portfolio. Then you need to click next. Then you can add another person here, and it's up to you. Employee control or full control, it's up to you. And then click next, confirm, and then we will create this brand new business manager or business portfolio. And so the first thing we need to do is either add already existing pages to this portfolio, or you need to create new ones, right? So that you can have any assets in this portfolio. Other than that, so basically the business manager is just a portfolio of your assets, right? So your page, Facebook page, your ad accounts, your data sets or pixels, as we used to call them. So all those are your assets, and we need to create those assets if you don't already have them. If you already have them, I'll show you in a second how you can add them to your business manager. If you don't, you need to be creating new ones. So first of all, let's add some business information to our portfolio. So go to settings, click on settings, and then click on business manager. Go to business manager, business settings. Now where we're in business settings, we need to go to, on the left hand side, business info. So you guys, you need to add all your business information here. I'm not going to do this on the video because it's going to take time, and of course I gotta blur all the information, but it's good to have all your business information here so that you can look as a legitimate business in front of Meta's eyes, right? That they know that you are a legitimate business, that it's trying to advertise on Meta, right? And once you are ready with this, we need to go to people. So add people to your business manager. So whoever is gonna have full control or is gonna have employee control on analytics control. So it's really up to you. In partners, you can add any partner. Like if you're working with an advertising agency or digital marketing agency, you can click add and give the partner access to your business manager. And here on the left hand side in the accounts, so basically pages, accounts, those are your assets. If you already have business Facebook profile, you need to click here. You need to request access to a certain page from a certain page. So basically, I'm going to do this, add page, right? You need to give the URL of this page. I'm going to be using my own page. Okay, so I'm going to use this page. Just copy and paste the URL, or if you know, of course, the ID number, and then add a page. Once you click add page, you will see that you already sent a request for this page. And until on the other side somebody approved this page, right? If you are the owner, you just gotta go to your notifications and approve this request. Once you approve, this page will be available for you to use it here on this specific business manager. The same thing goes with the other accounts. If you don't have a page, whatever, so you need to go to add page and create a new page, right? You need to create a new page. You just give it a name. You create a category, a biography, and it's super easy. I'll create one for you. So basically, I'm gonna give it the same name, or Georgi Advice. There's my blog and personal website. It's called, and then like .com, and then bio. I'll add bio afterwards because it's optional. I think they asked me to choose for a category. Okay, that's fine. Blog, a writing service, social media agency. Okay, let's call it social media agency. How you create a page and you add it to your business manager, and we started collecting new assets and creating and collecting new assets. So basically we have this page that is already pending, and we have another page that let me refresh. And we have another page, brand new page here, right? And we just created, GeorgiAdvice.com. Okay, so then the same thing goes with add accounts. Click add, then add an account. Just if you going to be requesting access, you should know the ID of your account. If no, you need to go down to create a new account. And this, of course, it's very easy. Just add the account name, the time zone, the currency, and then you need to add a payment method in order to proceed. Okay. And the last thing that is very important you need to create, it's basically a pixel or a dataset, as Meta calls them right now. Add a pixel. If you haven't done any advertising, if you don't have a business manager before, if you haven't had a business manager before, so basically you need to create a dataset from scratch. This is just a name. We'll give it a name. Georgi Advice.com pixel, right? Create, and we just created a brand new pixel, and we need to add a person. I'm the only person here, so I'm gonna give it myself full control of this asset. And this is how we created a business manager with all the assets, all the information that is requested by Meta, and we are fully legitimate company that are ready to advertise on Meta. Thank you very much for watching this video again, and please guys, go subscribe to this channel, give this channel some love, and see you on the other side of success, guys.